Let's create a highly engaging Pinterest pin for your business marketing, using Canva. If you are not using Pinterest for your business to promote, I strongly recommend, do it now. It will bring a crazy amount of organic traffic which is not possible by Google, if your business is relatively new. Hi. I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And we make videos on WordPress, website strategy, UI and web design tutorial, and social media strategy. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. In this video, we are going to create a Pinterest pin for this beautiful WordPress theme, created by us. As I said, we will try to follow the best practices when creating pin, so they are highly engaging and brings more traffic. As it is a very well-designed WordPress theme for pet care services. So, here in Canva, we are going to choose this beautiful dog photo. By the way, I select this photo from Pexel.com. But you can also select photos from Unsplash, Pixabay, or Freepik. You can download the image from those sites and upload it here in Canva simply by drag and drop. Again, drag it to this frame and it will automatically fit in. But if needed, you can also fix the size as you like. One thing I should mention is, Pinterest prefer fresh pin. It means the image you are using needs to be fresh. So, the question is, if other people already use this same background image, then how it can be a fresh pin? Well, here is the trick. You could zoom in or rotate a bit, so the canvas is changed and this way it can be considered as a fresh pin. Easy, isn't it? I just leave it for you to use your creativity. Now, proper contrast and clarity of the text are important. So, I am not gonna just put text on top of this image. Then the visibility will be poor. And, your potential customer's not gonna click on your post. So, I am gonna put a black rectangle on top of the image first. I will give it a bit of transparency. Now, first, I am going to put the logo of our theme, which is Patapalooza. I uploaded it previously. Now, I am gonna add text to it. Canva has a very gorgeous set of paired text collection. Let's choose this one. And, let me just quickly edit the text that I want here. Let's resize it a little and align it properly. I will add our company logo also. Okay, nice. As I was saying, visibility is important, but readability also. That means, the text should be easily readable. So, I am gonna change the font here to something that has a similar handwriting effect but much clearer. Also, you should consider one important thing here. People do not always read every pin that appears in the search result, but they scan. So, to grab their focus on your pin, you need some kind of trick that motivates people to click on your pin. Let's do it. Here, I want my clients to focus on two words: WordPress and theme. So, what I am gonna do here, I will put a rectangle underneath these two words. Using Canva, you can give some effects in your text, like this. And, finally, you can add some animation to it too. Just click here, and you can choose anything from this collection. Then, click here to download and use it in your account. So, there you go. I hope you liked the video. You can also let us know what else you want to know about in the comment section. We already posted this pin on Pinterest. If you want to follow on Pinterest, I will put the link below. If you want this beautiful theme, I will put that link too. And, I will see you in the next video.